You see, guys, over there? That's the bird nest over here. Whatever times when water birds comes, seriously, it's just like moving, and I want to do it right here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna wait until the water birds come back. Okay. Wait, whatever you guys do, make sure you hit that like button and make sure water birds over there. Water birds. Hey, you guys see this? Oh, she's literally right there, waiting until my camera reveal. Okay, so this is my water bird's nest right here. Get out of here! Alright. These are like 4 eggs in there. Alright, guys. I gotta go, okay? Make sure you hit that like button, okay? I will see you tomorrow, Ronnie Birds.